This looks like a nice restaurant.
Yeah, it is. I come here all the time.
Let's sit over there.
Okay.
Can you pass me a menu, please?
Sure. What are you going to have to drink?
I'm going to have a glass of beer. How about you?
I think I'll have a glass of wine.
Do you want to order an appetizer first?
Not really, maybe we can just order some bread.
Okay, what are you going to have to eat?
I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Can you recommend something?
Sure, I've had the steak and the lobster before. They're both very good.
I think I'll have the lobster. What are you going to have?
I'm not that hungry. I think I'm just going to have a salad.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. When the waitress comes back, will you order for me?
Sure. No problem.
Hi Anna, come in.
Wow, your apartment is a mess.
I know, I didn't have time to put things away before you got here.
Look. Are those all your clothes on the couch?
Yes.
Are they clean?
Actually, most of them are dirty. I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house.
My sister and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there?
I know I should, but that place isn't very convenient. You have to wait for a long time.
Yes, I know. I have to do it every week. Anyway, are you ready to go?
No, I'm not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait for a few minutes?
Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon.